In today's nature safari, we are watching a retarded dog known as Sarah. We have only seen this retarded dog in Oklahoma. Now I'm the Terminator. Blah. Yes, I can teleport to Oklahoma. Okay, and I have a voice changer. And then the kids in the background are just kids. They're just two kids playing on the trampoline now. I'm stepping in leaves. That's why it sounds like somebody's picking up and walking. Now, here in a few seconds, I will teleport over the fence and throw leaves all over the dog. Wow. This is the most funniest documentary. I will give a response. Sarah! I always do that voice changer. Now I shall teleport. 3, 2, 1. I am back. I told y'all I would be back. Well, I didn't really tell y'all. But I have a voice changer. That dog is such retard. Such a retard. So retarded. Sarah. I'll use my voice changer. Sarah. I use my voice changer. I am having fun shooting this nature safari. Time to use the girl voice changer.